Namaste parents and all my dear students. Hope everyone are doing well at home. The reason why I am here in front of you all is just to give some share my experience or to just convey the awareness about the most important concern of the entire world, that is nothing but, as you all know, the fastest spreading coronavirus. So we have adopted new normal. We have come to somewhat different normal from past 1 year. So like washing the hands frequently, maintaining social distancing, and wearing mask, using hand sanitizer. These are all the different precautionary steps which we are following from past 1 year in order to get rid of this coronavirus. Apart from this year we are also having another one more important precautionary step, that is vaccination. Hope many of you have got vaccinated. The reason why they are telling the present second wave is more dangerous compared to the last year is the coronavirus has got double mutated. It has got mutated, means its strength has been increased. So once its strength has been increased, we must be as careful as possible. So unnecessary going out, everything should be avoided. These are all the precautions what we are following, or many of you are following, before getting infected by coronavirus. Many of you who are seeing this also might have got infected by coronavirus. The thing is, once we get infected by the coronavirus, not immediately rushing to the hospital. So most of you could have got cured at home only. So similarly, many patients, once they get positive, they will run or rush to hospital. So once it has been avoided, once you get the medication from the doctors through online, 90% of us who have got positive can be cured at home only, so that we can give the space or vacancy for those patients who are in the acute need of oxygen or ventilators. So these are the different kinds of aspects what we are going to follow. So my sincere request from our Mangala Vidya Mandira to all the Mangala Vidya Mandira family members is, more than getting panic during the situation, we have to try to avoid which are the different ways where we get infected. As if now we are following different precautionary steps, the same thing with the good sincerity, if we follow, surely we all together can fight against this coronavirus. So one more thing, as I told, the medication for the patients can be given by the doctors through online. So our upcoming academic also will be completely on online. So further more information regarding this I will be sharing with you later on. So let us all fight against this coronavirus together. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.